Hello, good day everyone. So this video lesson is all about sample size, okay, for estimating population mean and population proportion. So in finding the sample size, okay, for estimating population mean, yung formula na gagamitin natin ay ito. So the sample size n is equal to, ayan, the quantity of the critical value times the population standard deviation over E. So yung E natin, yan yung margin of error natin. Okay, tapos i-square natin siya. So for you to fully understand it, let's have our example. So example number 1. So how large a sample should be taken to be 90% sure that the error of estimation does not exceed 0.5 unit when standard deviation is 2. Okay? So dito gagamitan din natin siya nung ating tinatawag na confidence level, okay? Tapos yung equivalence na critical value. So ito yung commonly used, kaya ito lang yung nilagay natin dito sa presentation natin. So para makuha, okay, yung number or yung sample size natin, ayan siya, ito yung formula natin, n is equal to, okay, the quantity of the critical value times the standard deviation over the margin of error, tapos square nyo lang yan. Okay? So, our n here is equal to our critical value since we have 90%. Tingin tayo dito. Ano yung equivalent niya dito? So, we have 1.645, okay, times our standard deviation is 2. So, isa-substitute natin siya dyan. Okay? Then, our margin of error given is 0.5. Okay, so 0.5, then square. So if you're going to calculate that, okay, ang lalabas dyan ay 43.2964. Okay, pero since ang tinatanong ay sample size, okay, kailangan natin siyang i-round off into a whole number. Okay? So, round up. Okay pala, yung gagawin natin, i-round up natin siya. Okay? So, yung n natin magiging 44. Kasi, bakit? Sample size. Ibig sabihin, tinatanong dito ay yung respondent mo. So, tao. Wala namang decimal or point or fraction or kalahating tao. 'Di ba? So, n is equal to 44. So, regardless kung ano man yung katabi, nung 3 natin, 'di ba, katabi niya dito is 2. Pero bakit naging 44? Eh, di ba dapat magiging 43 lang yun? No. Okay? So, itong part na to, yung um, excess dito, okay, parang isa na rin siya. So, kaya, um, regardless, okay, regardless siya. So, parang ang gagawin natin dito ay round up lagi. Okay? So, 44. So, our sample size here is 44. Next, number 2, how large a sample is required to be 99% confident that our estimate of population mean is not off by more than 0.05 if the standard deviation is 0.5. So again, we'll use the formula. So n is equal to, so our critical value here is 2.575 since we have 99% confidence, okay, or confidence level. So we have 2.575, okay, times our population standard or our standard deviation is 0.5, okay, over our margin of error is 0.05 squared. So if you're going to compute that, ang lalabas ay 663.0625. Pag ni-round up natin yan, kasi wala namang kalahating tao, so we have 664. So this will be our sample size for this problem. Okay, next naman, okay, finding the sample size, okay, for estimating population proportion naman tayo. So ito naman yung gagamitin natin. So n is equal to the critical value squared over 4 times the margin of error squared. Okay, so yun yung formula natin na gagamitin. So let's have the first example. So how large a sample should be taken to be 99% confident that our estimate of P is within 0.02? So again, yan yung formula natin. So N is equal to, okay, the critical value of 99% is 2.575. So we will be writing here 2.575 squared. Okay? So, square natin siya over 4 times our margin of error given there is 0.02. 0.02 squared. Okay? So, pag kinalculator natin yan or sinolve natin manually, so we have 4,144.140 or 625. So, isulat natin lahat ng lumabas sa calculator. So, ang lalabas ay ganito, 4,144.14625. So, round up, magiging 4,145. Okay? So, our N here is 4,145. Next problem. So how large a sample is required to be 90% sure that our estimate of population proportion is not off by more than 0.05? So again, let's use the formula. So the critical value for 90% is 1.645. So 1.645 square over 4 times our margin of error is 0.05 squared. Okay? So if you're going to calculate that, we will get 270.62 or 6025, or if we're going to round up, magiging 271. So N is 271. Okay? Pero if ever man, nasa choices is 270. Okay? Kung ano yung pinakamalapit. Okay? So kung ang nasa choices ay 270, that's the answer. If it's 271, then yun siya. Okay? Pero yung pinaka-concept nun, yun nga. Since walang kalahating tao yon, okay? So, nira-round up natin siya since we are looking for the sample size. Okay? So, that's it for this video lesson. Hope na intindihan. Okay? So, thank you.